Well, I tried to pause the music and I must have accidentally pressed the next song button. There was not meant to be two songs. Hello. Welcome to the stream.
What's in the box?
You know what? I really thought that joke was going to get old. It turns out it hasn't.
TSJ's film for live studio audience.
Thank you for introducing me there, Ewookie. Hello, friends. Welcome. Well, that was weird. Where was my transition? How strange. Honey. Did my transition break? That's weird. Hold on. That's weird. That's... Huh. Apparently my transition was turned off. That's really thrown me. Let's see if it works now. There we go. That's more like it. That's what this thing is meant to look like. Just got my microphone just sitting right there. Hello. Welcome. Lego stream. Build in a bookshop. My throat still hurts, which is why I cancelled stream yesterday. But I've got some lemon and honey water beverage thing here. So courtesy of Darcy, I should be all good. Wow, that gets keyed out. Oh well, that's why we can't have nice things. But there's yeah, it's Lego Sunday. We're gonna build some stuff. I've just posted to Instagram, to my Instagram story again. How about that? I hope you guys are proud of me. Enderman, you keep saying you didn't. I really hope I didn't miss anything important, dude. You don't have to be here for every stream. What do you think you're gonna miss? What? Relax, my man. It's fine. You're here now. Chill. We're good. No, you haven't missed anything important. All I do is play with plastic bricks. Relax. Hi, Duro, Corn, Enderman, Adrian, Bex, Fabasi. Fabasi, it's been so long since we last talked. Who else is here? Is that everyone? Based on Gaming with 10 bits. Cake Mixer, continuing their subscription for your 5-month streak. Cake, thank you so much for continuing your sub. I really appreciate it. That's amazing. Thank you so much. We had Ewookie introducing us with the live studio audience recording at the start there, but he's not actually here, so that's very sad that he missed it. And yeah, I don't know what the heck happened with my scene transition there. I don't know how that got disabled. Luckily, it wasn't too hard to turn it back on, but we're good. Yeah, I do have an Instagram bestie. How did you not know? Oh my god.
Thask one hype, Thask one hype, Thask one hype, Thask one hype.
Bad Deanna with your 2nd month. Amazing. Thank you so much. Hello. Welcome. Oh my gosh.
Are we doing this again?
I don't know. Do we have to? Do we have to? I don't know if I have the energy for this. Bad Deanna, thank you so much for continuing your sub. That's amazing. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much. So much. I'm all over the place today, apparently. Duro, yes, I ignore all of your bits because I pretend I do not see it. So, yeah, you could just deal with that. Hello from a hotel in Washington, D.C. Amazing. Roy, I hope you're enjoying your vacation. Hello. Hope the Wi-Fi is good there. Imagine being on vacation, getting away from it all. And how do you choose to spend it? By watching me stream. Kind of cringe, to be honest. Bestie. Androckmes is here as well. Welcome. Shags, my dude. How you doing, man? Welcome in. Yes, classic snub. I am snubbing Juro's bits. I pretend I do not see them. Fabasi says that is the fanciest jumper I have ever seen. It looks like it was woven by the elves and handcrafted by the finest artisans. And you'll be correct. It's from Uniqlo. Famously sources their clothes from elves. Yep. There we go. Good. And Makila Tequila is here as well. Welcome, Makila. Hello. Just for the weekend. Yeah, have you been to your convention yet, Roy? What's the go? Have you been to your convention? Did you see William Shatner?
More Lego. 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 Go. Lego. More Lego. More Lego. More Lego. Okay.
It's been a long time since we've heard the full
Hype
60-second
train.
version. Is there a hype train? I didn't notice.